pigs are drinking?
Yeah.
There are the pigs.
Hey guys, I think I see a cow.
Hi, Stinky Pigs.
I see a cow, guys.
You see a cow?
I think I see a cow right there. See?
Oh, yeah?
See?
Oh, he's a little baby one.
Yeah, without no mama.
Aw.
Yeah,
Hi, cow.
he must be sad.
I'm sure his mom's around here somewhere. They'll take good care of him at the farm. What's that, Rocky?
Yeah, amazing.
What's in there?
Nothing. It's missing.
It's missing.
Yeah.
Oh, my.
Amazing. But it definitely has some small round hoops.
Small round poops?
Yeah.
I wonder what was in there.
Mm-hmm.
Guess what?
What?
The sign says goats. I bet they took the goats across to the other pasture where the llama is. What's in there?
There's one chicken.
You know what? I
in there.
don't think I have any change, Rocky. We used it for the horsey ride thing.
Hey, Mom. Look at that.
Yeah, let's go look at the chickens. We'll take some pictures. Oh, what's that?
There's one chicken in there. See?
There's a chicken in with the turkeys?
Yeah. See?
Oh, you're right. Looks like that's a rooster.
Yeah, and with him and just like where the turkeys are at and go speed farm and there's lots of chickens.
Yeah, that's true. It's kind of the reverse. I wonder if they didn't put that rooster in there for a reason. Maybe he was bossing the chickens around too much. Another one's missing? I think the sheep goes in there. I wonder if they took her out to the pasture too.
I didn't see any sheep.
No?
And does it say? Ding, where are you?
Where are you, sheep?
Hey, yeah, it's a sheep.
Yep.
It's missing now too. Hey, not up here.
Ducks are here?
Yeah, yeah. They have water.
They have water.
Yeah. Yeah, but no food.
Oh, I think the food's in the corner.
Where? Where?
Benny found it, or Rocky found it.
Oh, there.
There it is.
Yeah. It's where Rocky's butt is.
What?
We haven't touched anything, haven't we? Here?
No, I don't think so. Benny, what are you doing?
Outside there. Hey, it's missing. It's missing.
It is.
Mom.
Yeah,
Mom. It's missing.
it is. I know. We talked about that. Yep, there's that food. What's up? I know, sweetie. He woke up? Should we take a picture of the ducks too? Take some video so you can watch it later. Alright, ducks. Oh, cute ducks. Quack, quack. Hey, what are you guys doing?
Look at that thing. It's
Yeah?
See?
Is that a rooster?
Right there, see?
I think it might be a rooster.
No, right there, see?
Yeah, it's a rooster.
Oh, it's a rooster. I didn't know.
Because his feathers are different than the other ones.
Yeah.
You guys ready to go?